Okay, gonna swap out the battery on this 1993 Seadoo SPX. The very first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna probably just need a 10mm to do it. It won't take a lot of tools. Very first thing we need to do is remove the engine cover. That's just under the seat, so you just grab right here. There's a little tab. You lift that, then you can pull it up. Ta-da! Okay, so seat's off. So underneath the seat, you've got your engine, there's your motor, and right directly in front of it is the battery. It's really easy to get to on the SPX. A lot easier than the GSX. So you got your battery positive terminal here, your negative terminal here. If this is anything like the other batteries, it's going to be a 10mm to loosen them up, the connection. So let me give you another shot and then we'll loosen it up and pull it out. Okay, so got my 10mm socket. You could also do this with a Phillips head screwdriver, sitting in the connectors. I'm going to loosen up both. There's the positive. And the negative. Okay, now when I get them almost ready to come out, I'm going to be careful because it has a little washer on it. Not that we're talking about anything dangerous, it's just I don't want washers and nuts and bolts slopping around in the engine compartment when I'm driving around, and hunting for little things in the bay is hard. So just being really careful when you take it apart the first time is the way to go. So here we have it. You can see it's got a nut, and then this one has a washer underneath it. So I've got the nut and the washer. I'm putting them outside of the boat so they won't get lost and rattle. Next we're going to do the negative terminal right here. Right there it is. So same scenario, I already loosened it up, so we'll just unscrew it. And it's just about ready to come up. Make sure to get the washer and the nut. Got it. There we go. Washer. Too. So nothing's rattling down in there. Now we need to actually take the battery out. It has one safety strap. It's this right here. It's just like a really special rubber band, and it's just held on by pressure. So it looks like we can remove it front or back. I'm going to try the back here. So just press it down. Whoop. Camera tilting over. Anyhow, so you pressed it down, there's a hook there, you can pull it up. Here's what the tab looks like on that side. Whoop. I want to make that easy to find. There. Here's the rubber band. It's got basically hooks, it just hooks on both sides. And then the last thing is just removing the battery. There you go. Just in case you're curious what it looks like with the battery out, here's the battery compartment. Just a box. You can see the wires coming for the electrical around. So this is the battery we took out of the SPX, and it is a 16 CLB. I imagine there's other ones you can use in it, but that's what we'll be looking for when we go to the shop.